Hello everyone. Today date is 3 January 3 January 2022 and my name is Sachin Hamanzado and my today Viva topic name is wrapper class in Java. In Java, as we know that the Java is a object-oriented programming language, but in Java is not a pure object-oriented programming language because it uses if you want to use a data type primitive data type because primitive data type as store the value as a own 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 memory like a stack memory and in Java is everything is an object or object oriented programming language is all about the object. If we use a non-primitive data type, the non-primitive data type store the value in heap memory by using the point to the reference variable, and if we want to perform the operation by creating the object and perform many operation of the object, but in its primitive data type are not object because they store value in the stack memory, but in primitive data type. But we want if we use the primitive data type in form of the object, we need to convert the primitive data type into object by using the wrapper class. First, the wrapper class is a mechanism to convert the primitive data types into the object. This is called as the wrapper class. If we create object of an wrapper class, it contain value of primitive data type or primitive value. The next point is why need to use a wrapper class in Java. As we know, the wrapper class in Java support the call by value. If we were passing a primitive data type in the method, and it will not change the original if we will not change the original value, but this resolve this problem by using the wrapper class. Then convert a primitive data type into the object, and change the value of the by using the object. The next point is the all classes in a Java util packages can handle by the object. So there was only one option to use a primitive data type to make them the wrapper class. In serialization, we convert the object into a stream to perform serialization. The next point is the collection framework is totally based upon the object. If you want to create any collection but use a primitive data type, but can use the wrapper class to convert the primitive data type into the data type into the value. In the Java collection framework, in a value is a int string and string form. But if you want to using the wrapper class, if you want to store the value in the table from by using the group of the object. Even for example, the wrapper classes is a primitive data type into the wrapper class. The int and convert the wrapper class is in the capital integer, a long small long, and in the wrapper class convert the wrapper class long, capital L. The next is the unboxing and unboxing concept. Unboxing and unboxing are used to if you want to convert the primitive data type into the into wrapper class, and wrapper class into class to the primitive data type it is the autoboxing and unboxing. The first is the autoboxing. Autoboxing is a process when JVM automatically convert the primitive data type into the object to their corresponding wrapper class. This called as the autoboxing. For example, int to capital integer, and unboxing is a process when JVM automatically convert the wrapper object to the primitive data type. For example, capital integer to int. This is the description about the wrapper classes in Java. Thank you.